So hey y'all, hey. So y'all know homeschooling is our new normal, a lot of parents are going to be homeschooling their kids. Y'all know I've been homeschooling my daughter since she was 1. So I do plan on homeschooling her. She is not in school. She does not go to school till next fall. So we will be homeschooling until then. But I went to Dollar Tree and got some stuff. So let me show y'all what I got. Okay, y'all, let me show y'all what I got. I am going to order some stuff off Amazon because Dollar Tree, I don't know if I went on a bad day, but they didn't have a few things that I needed and I was looking for, so I am going to order it off Amazon. But anyways, I got these numbers in black. You get 30 of them. I got the same numbers in white. You get 30 of those. I got the alphabets. You get 56 of these. Got these in color. I got her a pencil box, purple pencil box, because let me show y'all what I've been using for her pencil box. Don't talk about me, don't laugh at me, don't judge me. I had to do what I had to do. Let me show y'all. Yeah, this is what I was using as her pencil box, a white case. Don't judge me, don't talk about me. Listen. Yeah, this is her pencil box as of what she know. But anyways, let me start. I got her pencil box, y'all. I'm so excited. Got that. I got this little alphabet book. Got different activities in it. I got a little like inflatable globe. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I know I can do something with it. So I got that. I got this little like puzzle book. It's like a animal book, like with animals and different animals and stuff. So I'm gonna get a few more of these. They only had one, so. Then I got some crayons, because we need crayons. 36, it come in this box. They're washable. That's good. I got these alphabet flashcards. We need these. I got these letters, poster board letters. Get 78 of these. We got some colors and shapes. 36 come in the box. We got some color pencils. We want to get 8 of those. And I got these letter sounds. So yeah. Oh, and I got some chalk. Y'all know we do have like a little small board. I'm gonna probably order a big one, like the Fisher Price one off Amazon. I don't know if I should wait just for Christmas or whatever, or just get it now. But I am gonna order her another board. So yeah, I got these poster boards. I plan on making something with these boards. This one here got wet, so it's kind of messed up, but I'm gonna still use it. I'm gonna still make something out of it. But yeah, little board. And everything was $1. Y'all know it's Dollar Tree. Everything was $1. I got this board. I got 2 of these. Y'all know these little like science boards. We used to have these back in the day. We have to make your science project. I feel like they were bigger than this back in the day. I don't know. But anyways, I got 2 of these. I'm gonna make some type of like learning board, so make sure y'all subscribe to my channel so y'all won't miss any of these videos, these upcoming videos for homeschooling. But yeah, I just got 2 of these. Yeah, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think about my stuff I got from Dollar Tree for homeschooling. Let me know if you're gonna be homeschooling. I think YouTube disabled my comments on my last video, I think. So if you can comment on this video, comment and let me know what you're going to do for your kids. Are they going back to school? Are you going to be homeschooling? Just let me know. I'm really interested in knowing. Y'all know my sister is a teacher, so she already went back to school last month. So she's been teaching since last month. And her kids don't go back to school. Her kids that she teaches don't come back to school, I think, till like the 2nd week of August. But anyways, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all gonna be homeschooling. But just let me know. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.